Hello to all my future MBBS aspirants. This is Dr. Siddhi, and today we will have a dive into all your questions about MBBS in Russia. And what's special about today's podcast is today we have Dr. Aditi with us. So welcome Dr. Aditi.
Hello, I'm Dr. Aditi Fulsundar from Mumbai, and I'm glad to share my experience with you all today.
So Aditi, you have cleared your FMG in first attempt. What would you like to tell our future doctors?
Okay, so basically FMG is Foreign Medical Graduate Examination, which is held by the NMC, that is the National Medical Council of India. And all students who go abroad need to pass this exam when they return back to India. And few students are worried that it is a very tough examination, but not really. I cleared my FMG in my very first attempt. So if you do proper hard work and determination, I'm sure you'll pass this exam. So I would like to convey a message to students that those who are scared of this exam and worry going abroad, you need not worry. It is just the hard work and the determination that you put in. So it will be all great.
Okay, so first of all, very congratulations to Dr. Aditi for clearing this exam in very first attempt. As we all know, it's a big thing to do. And also I would like to know how you got into this world of medicine and which university you chose or how you went there and all.
Since my childhood, I wanted to become a doctor itself and pursue my career in this field. It was something I had been looking upon. And then after hearing out the NEET results and the Indian Medical College's expenses, which were just not affordable actually, I was a bit thrown back. Thinking about the government seat in India was out of reach, and looking at the competition level, I was really very disheartened. Later, from some of my dad's friends, we get the information about MBBS in Russia and GC, and that's where actually the story begins.
I can understand because today so many students are facing the same problems about which university to choose, which agency to go, and so I would like to know about your journey in this university and which agency you chose.
So my university was Privosky Research Medical University, which is located at Nizhny Novgorod, Russia. And yes, definitely GC guided me through one of the best universities out there in Russia. And my experience with this university was just amazing. Dr. Suhas Mane and his team helped me through all the details and the process of getting my admission there. I'm actually very grateful to him.
Also, doctor, I have heard that this university is registered as fourth under Russian Health Ministry and third under Forbes. Is this all true? And is it NMC registered? And how about the academics over there?
Definitely, it's one of the best university in Russia. And one of the most important part is NMC registered university, and it's a 6-year English medium MBBS program. So definitely you need not worry about the language problem which are faced by few students over there. Also, the university campus is well equipped, modern, and has everything from the cadaver labs and 3D anatomy sessions to the digital classrooms.
And how about the accommodation? Is that city safe? And how about your hostels? Can you tell about it?
Yes, so the city is actually very safe if you go to sea. And also the best part that the concern about the accommodation among the students is just so convenient, clean, safe, and right next to the university. And actually what shocked me the most was the diversity. Like students from 40 plus countries, you don't even feel like an outsider there.
Okay, I get it. And how was life in Russia? Like, were you happy over there? And how about the city and people? Also, your teachers, were they helpful?
Oh, something that I can say now is how I just miss it right now. So yes, life in Russia was absolutely amazing. It taught me a lot of life lessons. Like sometimes there might be some ups and downs, but eventually when you come out of it, you'll be a perfect molded personality, I will say. It teaches you a lot and it's worth it. Yeah, sometimes you have few small concerns like the climate issues there, the livelihood, the language problems, but definitely you cope up with it and you adjust to it. So you don't need to worry about it actually. And I would say like all students who pass their MBBS in Russia, later they definitely miss this place a lot.
Yeah, that's definitely true. And now let's come back to the point. As you said earlier that you went there through GEC, Dr. Suhas Mane. And how GC helped you throughout your journey, and over there also you must have faced many difficulties. How about it?
So, as I had said, we had got already many references since starting of Global Education Consultancy, and it was the name Dr. Suhas Mane when we talk about MBBS in Russia. His guidance through this journey was absolutely amazing. Yes, Dr. Suhas sir. So basically, I call him sir. In need of any help, you just give him a call and the problem is solved. And talking about his guidance over here was something that was very helpful in this journey of mine. And like right from making my first ever passport in life up to reaching the destination safely, he and his team guided us through all. Like, may it be making your first passport, document submissions, visa applications, flying tickets also, okay, and reaching the destination. His team guided us through all, and that's where he stands out to be. Dr. Suhas and his team are very helpful through this journey of mine, as well as it will be for you.
That's very supportive, I must say, because going abroad feels scary. New country, new people, new language, but with the right guidance, I think you can do it all. So now, last but not the least, let's come to the part what you would like to tell our future NEET aspirants or future MBBS aspirants.
Yes, I can say that if you're eagerly and desperately willing to become a doctor, you can plan your MBBS journey in Russia through GEC's guidance. It's a dream come true for me and many students like me who wish to become a doctor and make their parents proud. So, you don't need to settle for an overpriced private college or spend another year preparing. You can get through one of the best affordable government university like PIMO and choose honest, official partner like GEC because you need someone who is in it for a long run.
If you have any queries about Privolsky Research Medical University, you know where to contact. All the details about PRMU and GEC are in the description box below. Thank you.
Yes, and I'm sure GEC will definitely help you turn your dream of becoming a doctor into reality. Thank you and good luck to all my future doctors.
Thank you, Dr. Aditi, for joining us today. I'm very glad you came and told all our NEET UG aspirants about your journey. And thank you everyone for watching till end. See you all soon.